Okay, now on this whole coffee thing, I hear a lot, well, I don't want to make coffee in the morning, or it's just too much trouble, and oh, I have to make coffee, and I don't have time to make coffee. Okay, here's the deal. It's very simple. All you have to do is keep the coffee maker loaded up, pre-ready to make coffee anytime you want it. So when I'm done with coffee in the morning, I just reload the coffee maker, thusly. Go in here, you take out the coffee grounds, throw them away. Okay, not brain surgery. Rinse this thing out, throw it back in the coffee pot, okay? Coffee maker. Then you grab yourself a coffee filter, throw it in there, thusly. Grab some coffee. Now this one here I'm going to make just 4 cups of coffee. That's 2 scoops. And we can have a discussion on how to make coffee too. But just use 2 scoops. Or 2 scoops for 4 cups. And you can just adjust accordingly. Okay? That's loaded and ready. Alright? Now, the water. All you need to do, dump out the old coffee. Rinse out your pot. Get it ready. This particular one here I'm going to put for 4 cups. Just get your coffee maker up to 4 cups of water. Load the water in there. Put it down in here. Close the lid. Okay. It's ready. Now the next time you want coffee, say I want coffee with dinner, or I might leave it there until tomorrow morning. I don't know. I can do anything I want to because it's all ready. I don't have to think about, oh, I have to make coffee. All I have to do is just push this button right here, and I got coffee. Okay? Very simple. That's it.